studying in grade 3B. My name is Shank and I am studying in 3B. My name is Isha. I am studying in 3B. My name is Reaksha.
What's this activity all about?
This is the activity about this we have to. This is the activity.
Name of the activity?
Leaf measure.
Leaf area. Measuring the leaf area. Okay. What all materials do we need?
We need one normal leaf and one circular leaf. We should put and this sheet with boxes like this.
What else do you need?
We need a pencil to measure it.
Yeah.
We should first keep the normal leaf and trace it with the pencil.
Yeah, wait. Now, what else you should do? The second one?
Next we should number the boxes. We should circle it and we should number
Yeah,
them.
and keep it ready. Okay. Shashank, yes.
We should number the boxes like this. This is the half box. We should not number it. Like this is the full box, so we should number it as 1. This is half box. We should not number it.
Yeah.
Like this is full box. 2,
Similarly,
3. This is half box, so we should not number it. This is full box. We should number it.
yeah. And what do you do after numbering?
After numbering,
You will count the
count the boxes.
number of
boxes.
boxes or square boxes. To know the what do you do? To know the area. Very good.
Like this leaf has 28. This leaf is the size of 28 centimeters.
Very good. Yeah. So similarly, we'll find the length and breadth so that we get the area. Yeah?
Measure the area.
Okay. Did you enjoy doing it, Rudra?
Yes.
How about you?
I'm good.
It was, yeah, very nice.